Whispers are heard that Apple's testing out the idea of a flip-style folding phone with the book-style foldable, which was speculated to launch later this year. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Apple's engineers are definitely looking into flip foldables. However, it's not confirmed if they will actually make it into mass production. It makes sense as well that Apple's weighing up the idea of launching an iPhone that folds, as devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 are already doing well in the market. And it's not the first time that an iPhone Flip has been rumored. Hints about such a phone began in 2021, although now the iPhone Fold looks almost likely to launch during 2026. It seems Apple's more serious about them now than it's ever been. Both flip-style foldables and book-style foldables start as a phone of around regular size, although with the flip approach, you fold the screen down, and with the book approach, you open the screen out instead. Which is best is really down to personal preference and how you use your phone. Something like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 gives you a bigger screen if you need it, while flip phones like the Motorola Razr Ultra 2025 can still be useful for taking photos and checking info while they're shrinked. Of course, we now have trifold phones from Huawei and Samsung too, giving you an even bigger screen. However, for its first foldable, Apple will stick to the classic single approach. Earlier this month, the specs and the design of the iPhone Fold were spilled out online, and according to those, the first foldable iPhone is likely to show up in September with the iPhone 18 Pro and an iPhone Flip, and maybe not that far behind. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.